Okay, Maths set 2, question 3. Now this is a rather unique speed question, so you have to pay attention to how it is done. Okay, does this come out for PSLE? Actually, quite regularly. So learn how to do this well. Lynn and Marvin took part in a bicycle race. They both traveled at constant speed. Lynn's speed was 20 km per hour. When Marvin reached the midpoint, Lynn was 4 km ahead of him. Actually, this is for Marvin. Lynn completed the race at 9:45 a.m. What time did Marvin complete the race? Now, what I do know is this. This is the whole journey. Okay, they started here. Okay, let's say this is the start and this is the end. Now, when Marvin was at the midway, okay, Lynn was much faster. Lynn was 4 km ahead already. Okay, Lynn was 4 km ahead already. Okay, now when Lynn finished at 9:45 a.m. okay, frankly we don't know how far Marvin was. Okay, we really have no idea, because midway for this case is Marvin. We really have no idea where he was. We can't tell. But what I can tell is this. Okay, what I can tell is this. When Marvin is halfway through, Lynn was 4 km ahead. Okay, once again, when Marvin was halfway through, Lynn was 4 km ahead. Now, if Marvin finishes, how far ahead would Lynn be if she had continued cycling? Now, some of you merely, something makes sense, because it's simply double. So basically, Lynn will be 8 km ahead. Okay, once again, Marvin halfway, when he reached midpoint, Lynn is 4 km away. So if Lynn, after she passed the end, she continues cycling, when Marvin finishes, Lynn will have cycled extra 8 km. Okay, 8 km. Now, from this, I can tell that in order for her to reach this point, okay, for Lynn to reach this point, Marvin will have just finished. Okay, so if I find the time Lynn reaches here, I will find the time that Marvin finishes as well. So how do I do this? Simple. I know the distance here that Lynn covered is 8 km divided by her speed, which is 20 km per hour. I'll get 8 over 20 hour equals to 2/5 of an hour. Okay, 2/5 of an hour. So basically, once I add 2/5 of an hour, I get my answer already. Now remember, I told you we cannot add the time directly, so we take 9:45 a.m. Okay, 2/5 of an hour is how many minutes? 24 minutes. Okay, because we times 60. So what I do know is this plus 15 minutes and 9 minutes here will give me 24, right? Why do I break it up like that? Because I'm trying to make it into a whole number. Okay, a proper whole number. In this case, this will be 10 a.m. and this will be 10:09 a.m. So what time did Marvin complete the race? Marvin complete the race at 10:09 a.m. That's it. Simply done.